Rainwater system play an important role in safeguarding your beautiful home during rainy season. EuroGuard is the pioneer of UPVC rainwater gutter system in the country. With the new government regulations making it compulsory to use rainwater gutter in buildings, we are ever more dedicated to serve you.
EuroGuard is the first manufacturer of UPVC square rainwater gutters in India.
EuroGuard products are patented and the most efficient rainwater system. Its products have established a new benchmarks in the industry with regards to quality, design and durability of rainwater gutter. Rainwater gutters are commonly used to avoid drenching, growth of moss on the outer walls and preventing structural damage due to rain, and as an effective medium for rainwater harvesting. All the accessories for effective installations of 6-inch and 8-inch variants are manufactured in its plants. EuroGuard is India's first and largest ISO 9001-2015 certified UPVC gutter manufacturer with R&D unit and the only company with strong distribution network all over India. It is also the first manufacturer to produce colored rainwater gutter which can match any roof. The gutters are manufactured in completely automated machines using imported raw materials. EuroGuard is the one and only exporter of UPVC rainwater gutters from India. And we supply the same quality of products for Indian and export markets. Visit us on our website www.euroguardhighsquare.com.